Hello everyone, this is Hisense Soundbar AX5100Q, a 5.1 channel soundbar with 6.5-inch woofer and 2 rear speakers. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on, then select Bluetooth. It will show you no BT on the soundbar unit. Once it's connected via Bluetooth, it will show you BT in. Then the next thing to do is switch your TV on, then select TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the right or left to Bluetooth. Bluetooth device, scroll down to device list, select device list. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. Hisense AX5100Q is found. Select on it. It's connecting and is connected. So the device is connected and it's showing us BT in. Everyone, this printer is Epson EcoType. This is the audio. L3280. I'm going to show you how to print documents and photos from your mobile phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. We connected both via Wi-Fi network and also using Epson Smart Panel. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents and photo after you already connected the printer and mobile device via the same network. To print documents or photo, go to My Files on your mobile phone, select My Files, then you select Documents or Image, or you can select Document from down. So this is how to connect this to your TV. Due to copyright issue, I'm only able to show you videos from my YouTube channel, so I'm not able to go and show you videos or movie from different places. But this is how to connect the soundbar and your TV via Bluetooth. And also make sure you select surround so that you can get audio from the rear speakers as well as the subwoofer. Thank you very much indeed.